Okay, hello class. Today I'm going to be explaining your homework assignment. And so if you open your books to page 15, you're going to write 3 times perfect each column, and it's the second column, the right column, okay? So you've got spur through held. So you're going to get a pencil and you're going to lightly write in your book spur through held. It's about 10 words. Write a little line with your pencil. And you're going to write it 3 times perfect each column. So we're going to write spur, swell, swap, shut, shed, shot. Okay, so I misstroked it, so I have to start over, okay? So here we go. Spur, swell, swap, shut, shed, shot. Sorry, I have nails and it's just really difficult. One more time. Spur, swell, swap, shut, shed, shot, shell, shag, hard, hurt, held, weld, held. So we go to held. So let's make sure I have it. And I think it might be easier just to look at your words here on your sheet or the notes. I'm just going to go here and I'm going to go spur, compare it to my book, swell, swap. You've got shut, shed, shot, shell, shag, hard, hurt, and held. So that's 1 time perfect, and I'm going to do it again, okay? PF, just to let them know I'm going on. Spur, swell, swap, shut, shed, shot, shell, shag, hard, hurt, held. Let me check it. And so I have spur, swell, check it compared to your book, swap, shut, shed, shot, shell, shag, hard, hurt, and held. Perfect. So one more time because we have to write it 3 times perfect each column, okay? Each column of words. So here we go. Spur, swell, swap, shut, shed, shot, shell, shag, hard, hurt, held. Let's check it. I go to my PF, and so I have spur, swell, swap, shut, shed. Make sure you don't skip anything. Shot, shell, shag. You've got hard, you've got hurt, and held. Okay, perfect. So I'm done with that group of words. I'm going to the next group of words. And so it would be weld through tuft. Mark it in your book. Have a cover sheet so it allows you to see each word 3 times perfect. Okay, if you make a mistake, you start over at the very beginning of where that word begins with. So in that case, it would be starting over with weld. And make sure you have 3 perfect columns. Check your work. You can complete extra ones. And then we're going on to the next one, and it's shaft through cub. And shaft through cub, make sure you write 3 perfect columns, that you check your work so you're not having any redos, and take your time and complete extras if you'd like, okay? So now I'm going to go on to page 16, read the top to yourselves. And page 16, 3-2, a homework assignment. So we're going to write the words chop up through start or stop. So mark it with a pencil in your book, chop up through start or stop, okay? So we're going to write them. And it says 3 times perfect each column. So I'm going to start over. I'm assuming everything's gone correctly. So chop up. Oops, sorry. Chop. So I have to start over. Chop up. Held up. Kept up. Pop up. Prop up. Sat up. Scrub. And I made a mistake, so I have to start over. Sorry. Here we go. So, and it's good practice. You know, I know it's frustrating, but it's really good practice. So here we go. Focus on getting it correctly. Chop up. Held up. Kept up, pop up, prop up, sat up, scrub up, shut up, start, up, start or stop. Start or stop. Okay, so let's check it. I'm going to go find my last PF. And so we've got chop up, held up, kept up, hop up, prop up, sat up, scrub up, shut up, start or stop. Perfect. So you're going to make sure you write 3 more of those. If you make a mistake, you start at the very beginning with chop up, PF, and then go to the very beginning, okay? Make sure that you do that. And then mark your book. So then your next group of words is going to be stop war through soft shell. Make sure you write it 3 times perfect, that whole group. And then hard shell. Look at your homework sheet, mark it in your books, through red shed. 3 times perfect. And then red cart through sharp rod. 3 times perfect. Take your time, check your work, complete extras if you like, okay? Very, very important. And then we've got page 17, 18, and top of 19. We're gonna read everything. Don't skip anything. Everything is very, very important. And then you're gonna, on page 19, 4-1. So you're gonna write the sentences 1 through 12, 5 times perfect each. So you're gonna read everything. You're gonna learn how to write the sentences. So you're gonna write a cat sat, period. Okay, and you can write it 5 times perfect, so I'm going to write it again. A cat sat, period. And then again, a cat sat, period. One more time, a cat sat, period. And so that makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. And I did it wrong, so PF, a cat sat, period. Okay, so check them, make sure you have perfect a cat sat. You can write each sentence 5 times perfect, okay? A cat sat. And you really want to focus on learning how to read the steno. This is a brand new language and you really need to focus on writing the steno, okay? So a cat sat, a cat sat, a cat sat, a cat sat, and a cat sat, and period, okay? Take your time. You can write each sentence 5 times perfect, okay? Make sure you don't skip anything, that you check your work, and that you complete extras. Very important. If you complete extras, it just gives you more practice, and that way if you skip something or you missed it, hopefully you got it correctly in the set that you did extra, okay? And that's it. Just take your time, look at your book, compare, and look, focus, and just stroke it correctly. Very important. That's it. Have a great day, you all.